don't be a bitch, don't be such a bitch. Breakup होगा, one I love you, one I'm sorry, you'll be back again. That's why it's called toxic.
Toxic relationship and abuse. What has given you the strength to walk out of it?
If I would not have run to save my life that day, I would not be here today. So sometimes you have to meet the villain and then you meet the hero.
So you disappeared for a while and then you came back stronger. What changed internally?
Nothing. I'm still the same girl.
So how did you rebuild your self-worth after mentally and emotionally broken?
It took a long time. I don't know if I should say this, but I don't want to live.
Reinvention तब भी require होता है जब when you have a career setback, even when you have failures.
जब मैंने स्त्री की थी, makes me believe in destiny की जो आपका है, आपके डोर तक वो आएगा. Got me a Filmfare nomination. White makeup लगा के, lens लगा के. हाँ.
It is being said that if your first half of the life is not good, then your second half will definitely be
Touch
good.
wood for that. भगवान कभी भी कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट हैप्पी एंडिंग के बिना नहीं बनाते.
Yeah. Hi Glow fam, welcome to the next fresh episode of Skin Coffee with Ghazal, where we don't just talk about beauty, we understand the strength behind it. Let me ask you something. What is real beauty? Is it what we see or what someone has survived? Because sometimes the strongest people look the calmest and the most powerful glow comes from the darkest phases of life. Today's episode is not just about skincare or appearance. It's about resilience, reinvention, and beauty beyond age. Because sometimes the most powerful glow comes from the battles we don't see. Joining me today is someone who has lived that journey, an actress who had not only evolved on screen but has also shown immense strength off screen. Flora Saini.
Thank you so much, Ghazal. That's such a lovely introduction. Thank you. Thank you.
How are you feeling today, Flora?
Feels good to be here and good to be in your company. You're looking absolutely vibrant.
You had different phases in your life,
Correct.
like from Chandigarh to films,
Yes.
right? As you had already done your education in Army Public School.
Correct.
How did you grow? Like, that phases, how you evolved in that phases.
I think life teaches you.
Yeah.
Life grows you. And if I look back at the girl that I was when all through my childhood, because I'm the only child of my parents, there are no siblings, so I was a very obedient. तो मैं अभी भी हूँ, but very quiet, very calm, very. If my mom was to tell me sit here, I'll come back and get you, I will not move from there till my mother comes, even if I have to go to the washroom or whatever. नहीं, मम्मा ने बोला है तो that was the little me. But till much later, even when I joined films, I was very quiet. That was my nature. I didn't know मैं क्या बात करूँ. If I don't know you, what do I speak with you? And when I joined films, all my heroes were twice my age. And I started from South, so the language I didn't know. तो मेरे लिए वैसे भी क्या बात करूँ, इंटरव्यूज़ में क्या ही बोलूँ, everything was new and people were new, so it took me a lot of time and to कैसे बोलूँ इसको कि the tough times taught me to break my shell. And then much later in my life I realized कि नहीं यार, बहुत important है to voice yourself.
Yes.
And not just for yourself but also for a lot of other girls and women who maybe they don't look up to you, maybe they don't know about you, but somewhere if God has given me this chance, this platform, and has got me into this industry and also made me go through some painful experiences, वो ऐसे in vain फालतू में नहीं है. There has to be a plan, God's plan. And I'm meant to speak about my journey so that somewhere someone listening to even maybe this podcast, even if they take one line of mine and remember that and learn something from it, my job's
It's
done.
amazing. Was there a moment in your life when you felt that, this is not your space?
Oh yes. Many times. Many times.
And then you had to prove yourself harder.
I had no choice but to अभी यहाँ पे हैं तो get out of the house. But really, it's so tough. क्योंकि I didn't know any casting directors, I didn't have any friends, nobody over here. तो मुश्किल हुआ. And then I somehow managed to crack one advertisement for myself, and then a lot of ads started happening. I tried very hard कि मेरा television में हो जाए. Never it came through, never. And movies, small parts were happening, which I was not happy about, because South में I've done leading roles, and here I'm doing like, it's like, अरे ये कैसे, मतलब कैसा लग रहा होगा to those people who've seen me playing the leading lady and seen me in small parts. That was the time that I actually felt कि Mama, I think we should pack our bags, क्योंकि कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. And like I said, कि God is so kind, He's so great. जब कुछ भी नहीं नज़र आता, He makes a way. And suddenly I got a call कि हम एक वेब शो बना रहे हैं. ऐसे वेब शो क्या होता है? कहाँ दिखाने वाले हैं? बोले फ़ोन पे. ऐसे हैं, फ़ोन पे कैसे दिखाएंगे? नहीं, फ़ोन पे दिखाएंगे, ऐप होता है. एंड दैट सो मुझे बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आया. ऐसे पैसे कितने दोगे? सो और काम क्या है? सो इट वाज अ डिफरेंट रोल. मनी वाज ओके, बट बिकॉज टेलीविजन में हो नहीं रहा था, एंड मूवीज स्मॉलर पार्ट्स. ऐसे ठीक है, कुछ तो है, लेट्स डू दैट. एंड लकीली फॉर मी, जो लोग बहुत काम कर रहे थे, दे वर ऑल बिजी ईदर डूइंग टेलीविजन और मूवीज, एंड दे नीडेड एक्टर्स. तो हम एकदम फ्री बैठे हुए थे. सो आई बिलीव दैट आई हैड दैट मोमेंट वेयर आई एक्चुअली थॉट कि कुछ अब नहीं है, लेट्स गो बैक. बट आई थिंक एक्टर की लाइफ बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग होती है, बिकॉज दोज फेजेस कम अगेन एंड अगेन. There's always a need for new faces, and there's always a time where no matter how hard you try, सभी ट्राई करने आए ना. कभी तो दूसरों का लक भी आपसे ज़्यादा अच्छा चलेगा. सो अदर पीपल ऑल्सो गेट सिलेक्टेड. Like you're shortlisted, finalists में आप होते हैं, and then somebody else gets selected. You're like, shit, I know. But yeah, it's been an interesting ride. It has taught me patience. It has taught me कि जो आपका है वो आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता. It will come to you on your doorstep, and that has happened again and again and again. So I'll just say that God's been very kind. And again, इससे मुझे एक स्टोरी भी याद आती है कि when I joined my acting institute, there were these two boys who had come from Punjab. Excellent actors, हम कुछ भी नहीं है. And I believe that बॉम्बे में ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत par excellence, they are actors beyond your imagination, but chance नहीं मिलता है. So these guys, they tried after the course got over. They couldn't crack it. They were here for six months, 1 year, I don't know, and नहीं हुआ. इसलिए नहीं कि वो अच्छे actors नहीं थे, they were brilliant actors. It was because God had something better in mind for them. And भगवान ने ये बोले, बेटा तुम यहाँ try कर रहे हो, but I have something better, और अगर मैं तुम्हें यहाँ दूँगा तो you will never look at that. So I feel that God takes you, like my family, there is nobody in this line from my entire generations together. I come from an army background, and सारे लोग army, navy, defense में हैं. So but I'm here because that's what my story was about.
So you have spoken so openly about your toxic relationship and abuse. So what has given you the strength to to walk out of it?
It came to a point कि I had no choice. And I think if I could tell girls now is that when the first abuse starts, don't try and fix someone. Don't think things will get better, because we are all creatures of habit. आदतें लोगों की नहीं छूटती हैं. So जब आपको समझ आ जाए कि this person is like this and things won't change, you can request, you can like ठीक है, you can give it some time, but don't. Some people don't change, and it's not our job to try and change anybody. You have to be with someone who you really get along with, right? Not somebody you have to fix. So mera, because I guess I'd fallen in love for the first time, so I didn't know who teaches you. Life only teaches you when to walk out, what is right, what
Of
is
course,
wrong,
of
right?
course.
It's only through relationships you learn, and through bad experiences you learn faster. So I had no choice. If I would not have run to save my life that day, I would not be here today. So it was that bad.
Oh. So how did you rebuild your self-worth after, mentally and emotionally broken?
It took a long time because I don't know if I should say this, but it's not just you, it's your parents also who go through a lot of hurt because you have made a wrong choice. And हर माँ बाप चाहते हैं कि their kids are happy when they see you going through something toxic and you're not able to come out of it. So it hurts them also. And it breaks you emotionally, mentally. It takes your faith and trust out of people. It takes a long time for you to actually look at a man and say, it takes your trust out of love also. कि नहीं यार है ही नहीं, दुनिया में नहीं है. But now, the mature me, the wiser me, I believe that नहीं यार अच्छे लोग हैं and it's only a matter of time. अगर एक लव स्टोरी हम ब्लॉकबस्टर मूवी देखते हैं, अगर हीरो हीरोइन पहले ही मिलके प्यार हो जाएगा तो कहानी ख़त्म हो जाएगी ना. सो समटाइम्स यू हैव टू मीट द विलन and then you meet the hero जो आके
Very positive perspective, which you had in your mind at that point of time. And if someone who is watching us today and they are stuck in toxic relationship, what is the first step they should take tomorrow?
मेरे बोलने से कुछ होगा नहीं. देयर इज़ नो फर्स्ट स्टेप लास्ट स्टेप. जब तक आप लूप में हो, यू विल कम, ब्रेकअप होगा, वन आई लव यू, वन आई एम सॉरी, यू विल बी बैक अगेन. जब तक इट रीचेज टू अ पॉइंट दैट योर माइंड हैज़ गिवन अप एंड यू लाइक अब बस अब नहीं होगा मुझसे, तब तक यू विल कीप गोइंग बैक एंड कमिंग आउट बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड टॉक्सिक. It's not easy to leave a toxic person because when they're good, they're very good. When they're bad, they're very bad. तो आपका माइंड डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पाता यार ये अच्छा इंसान है कि ये बुरा इंसान है, चलो शायद मेरी गलती होगी.
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि you are stuck in that and you're not able to move out.
Correct.
Yeah.
And one of the simplest things which I realized, which I really want to tell young kids is that आजकल I see college kids, आपस में एक दूसरे को they use derogatory slang to address each other. Bitch is such a common word.
Yeah.
It's a cool lingo, right?
Yeah.
Don't be a bitch. Don't be such a bitch. They use it like
Yes,
that,
yes,
in
of course.
a friendly way.
Their talk starts like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I always say, please stop. That's do not allow anybody.
To
English
say
में
anything,
say
yeah.
something like
Yes,
that.
yes.
English में, हिंदी में इतने प्यारे words हैं.
Yeah.
Darling, sweetheart, my love, मेरी जान, right? इतने अच्छे words हैं which we can use. And बाकी सब छोड़ो. Our parents have given us such lovely names. So if somebody even calls me मजाक में भी ना कि अरे don't be a bitch or whatever. Excuse me, I have a beautiful name, and you can put this
Politely,
a little better.
we can put it better,
Don't say
yeah.
that to me. So till you don't, and if I don't stop, सामने वाला सोचेगा ओ इसको तो फर्क नहीं
फर्क नहीं
पड़ता.
पड़ता.
So it'll go to another level.
Yeah.
So it's always better. Please अपनी respect खुद बनानी पड़ती है.
Yes.
And it starts small, and you have to stop it when it's small. So even the slangs, which is a cool language today, I don't understand, and I don't know why people laugh it off. Yeah, they think it's cool. It's not.
So Flora, what are your non-glam struggles which like people don't see, like your mood swings, your stress?
Stress, definitely. Being an actor, अरे लोगों को लगता है it's a glamorous job, but no, there's a lot of stress involved. It is a stressful business to be in, and I also miss a lot of my favorite things that I could happily eat. तो ये दो struggles तो definitely है. But I feel that as you go through life, you believe कि पहले मेरा struggle था कि या मेरा stress था that there was how am I going to make it? What am I going to do post that toxic relationship? How am I going to get back to work? Also because he was in the same industry, so it became difficult for me to find work and know who my friends are and who are not. So but trust me, now when I look back at life, I think I've done pretty well for myself. I have become stronger, wiser, and also when you find a wonderful partner in life, which I always say ki there's हर एक की life,
There are phases of life.
the phases of life, and हमारी life ना it's like a script.
Yeah.
Every page is like a script का वो एक
Yeah.
page out of that
Yeah.
script. And भगवान कभी भी कोई भी script happy
yes.
ending के बिना नहीं बनाते.
Yeah. It is being said that if your first half of the life is not good, then your second half will definitely be
Touch
good.
wood for that. And that's true. And also
Yeah.
because वो first half में आप सीख चुके होते हो कि what is going to work for you and what
and
not.
then you take your own decisions. Yes.
Like they say कि हमेशा दो रास्ते होते हैं,
हाँ.
आपने choose करना होता है.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you choose the wrong route, it's still a detour
Yeah.
to the right route.
Yeah.
There is no mistakes, there are no accidents in the universe. सब कुछ planned है और plan के according, script के according ही हो रहा है. गंदे लोगों को मिलना भी script के according है because वहाँ कुछ सीखना है. अच्छे लोग भी मिलेंगे क्योंकि वो भी script में लिखा है. It can't be बुरे ही दिन आ रहे when they say कि क्या है, हर रात के बाद दिन निकलता है. It's a universe का law.
Yeah.
So
Flora, when life hits you hard, so how do you show up the next day and that too, function normally?
I think it has been my mom who's been my strength, because there have been days when I didn't want to get out of bed. I was like, मेरे को उठना मतलब I don't want to live. I don't want to get out of the house and have another day to, and because your mind is so full of negative thoughts. And my mother used to tell me कि तुम्हारे काम क्या है, do you have to worry, like we are there, ठीक है, खाना वगैरह सब कुछ आपको स्ट्रेस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. All you have to do is go give your audition. वो भी नहीं हो रहा था, that there was a phase कि nothing was happening. So she said you just have to show up, do your job. So she actually pushed me out of the house when I didn't feel like even getting up and looking at myself. तो work became my rescue कि नहीं भी हो रहा है ना तो बाहर निकलो घर से. And even if it's fake, because जब आप audition दे रहे हैं तो you are smiling, even if it's fake, smile. And धीरे धीरे, and I think there's no better healer than time, because now things have faded. अच्छे लोग आते हैं लाइफ में तो पुराने लोग, बुरी मेमोरीज फेड हो ही जाती हैं. That will happen. So yeah, my mom has been my savior. Support,
system.
savior, everything.
So generally ऐसा होता है ना that there are days when you are mentally not strong, but life you have to do work,
Yes.
but then you're not able to focus on the work.
Yes.
So how do you manage that? Of course, there had been phases in your life where the work is important and you
Yes.
have to be there for work, but then you're not able to focus on work.
Yes.
And how do you manage that?
I've had those days, and I've had days where I've not liked the person I'm shooting with. For a lot of reasons. Maybe they have misbehaved, or maybe they have not been kind.
Yeah.
And you still have to shoot with them, and you hate them, and you're like, hey भगवान ये कैसे. And for सीन भी आपका ऐसा है कि रोमांटिक सीन है ना, अंदर से तो आप बोल रहे हो हे भगवान कैसे, ये तो फीलिंग आ नहीं रही है. बट थैंक्स टू माई एक्टिंग स्कूल दैट taught us little bit, थोड़े hacks, and some good people I met along the way who said कि people don't care what you were going through that day. आपका मूड ख़राब था, क्यों ख़राब था, they will only see स्क्रीन पे आपने क्या काम किया है. दे विल ओनली गिव यू योर नेक्स्ट जॉब सीइंग कि अच्छा इसने अच्छा काम किया या इसने ख़राब काम किया. किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि आज मुझे मेरे घर में झगड़ा हुआ, या मैं सेट पे आज खुश नहीं हूँ, या मेरी पेमेंट क्लियर नहीं हुई है और मैं फिर भी यहाँ स्ट्रेस में हूँ कि नाउ व्हाट. They don't care. They will only judge you on what they see on screen. And you never know कि कब वो that one film जो बोलते हैं ना, one Friday can change your life. That one Friday जो आपकी life change करने वाला producer director is actually sitting and watching that same film, maybe on YouTube, maybe not even on, he's not had the time to go to the theater.
Yeah.
And maybe they happened to browse and they saw that पूरी film में भी आपका शायद पूरा part नहीं है, but that थोड़ा सा part में somehow he
Do it.
went forward on that video and saw that part and
Yeah.
liked your part. So life is so बोलते ना कि amazing. I mean, the biggest example being Dhurandhar. Akshay Khanna stole the show with that one dance. People
Yes, people started talking about
correct.
that.
And after such a long break,
Yeah.
तो जब लिखा है वो इतना सा भी पार्ट होगा ना, trust me, sky's the
But
limit.
then, like, how do you stay focused? Like, if you are mentally stressed and thinking about something else, like with me, if I'm working and if I'm mentally stressed, I'm not able to focus on that.
हाँ.
So, how do you do that?
It becomes difficult, yes,
Yeah.
but I just tell myself कि अगर ये काम ठीक से नहीं किया तो फिर next काम how next what am I going to do? Like, people won't give you work.
Yeah.
See, me being an actor, if my producer or director is not happy with me, tomorrow when they're making something, they
Yes.
will not think about me. They'll say कि
Yeah.
नहीं यार उसके she's not focused on set.
Yeah.
So I have to put everything behind, and I think वो bad phases also taught me कि कुछ भी हो just smile and then निकाल लो. And trust me, वो एक ही दिन की बात होती है. By evening you would have settled, you would have spoken to, or you would have spoken at home or got some good advice, and by day 2 you'll be much better. वो first day of any stress is the worst. But it gets better. You also understand कि ठीक है अब काम पे ही फोकस करते हैं. ऐसा भी होता है. So it happens.
So, do you think that discipline is more important than motivation?
No, both are important.
Okay.
Because without motivation there is no discipline. Simple example would
Yes.
be your gym. If there is no motivation, if I'm not motivated to go to the gym, वो discipline लाऊं कहाँ से मैं? And if there is no discipline, and if सिर्फ discipline alone also डिसिप्लिन है पर मोटिवेशन नहीं है तो वो भी दिक्कत है. बिकॉज देन यू आर देयर बट दिल नहीं है ना, बस कर रहे हैं, उसका भी रिजल्ट नहीं आता है. इट्स लाइक ईटिंग फूड कि खा रहे हैं पर खुशी नहीं है, तो वो बॉडी को अच्छे से लगता भी नहीं है. So whatever you eat, whatever you read, whatever you see the good in things, and trust me that brings that glow, that brings that warmth to your whole personality.
So you disappeared for a while and then you came back stronger. What changed internally?
Nothing. I'm still the same girl. But it's just that how people react to me changed. I don't think I changed, and I never want to change.
Okay.
I never want to be that person because I've seen people when they got a lot of success, I've seen them fall after that.
Okay.
तो मैं वो बनना ही नहीं चाहती कि again I'll tell you, when I started my career I got success very easily. And एक टाइम था when producers would come to me with scripts which I didn't like, and I would say नहीं यार मुझे ये नहीं करना है because I don't like it and I don't want to do it, and whatever reason I thought I had I didn't like it for whatever reason. And जब मेरा bad time आया and I had no work, I had to call up the same people and tell them, sir, I'm willing to do that role which I didn't want to do. So Mr. Amitabh Bachchan had said this, and I remember that when you are on your way up,
Yes.
Be very humble to everyone you meet, because
Yes.
anything that goes up has to come down, and
Yes.
on your way down you will meet exactly the same people.
People.
And how you behaved with them on your rise is how they will behave with you on your downfall.
Yeah.
I just know कि I didn't change with success, because I saw a lot of people who change for the worst with success. मुझे वैसा बनना ही नहीं था. So they became examples of what I don't want to be like. And then I heard stories or saw some incredible people, and I, आपका दिल बोलता है कि यार I want to be like them. I'd quote Rajkumar Rao, Shraddha, Ranveer Singh for that matter. They're such lovely people, and you go on a set and you feel like I want to be like them, yaar. क्या एनर्जी है, क्या वार्मथ है, लाइक द होल वर्ल्ड इज़ योर फैमिली, दिस सेट इज़ माई फैमिली. सो अच्छे लोगों से अच्छी चीज़ें सीखनी है, and you just got to forget the rest of them. So I consciously never changed myself. How people reacted to me, that changed. And मैंने कोशिश की कि वो मैं अपने आप को तो थोड़ा बचा के ही रखूँ. I don't want to. It took me a lot of pain to be this human being that I am today.
Of course.
Right?
Yeah.
So why would I want to change that just
Yeah.
because success आज है, कल नहीं है, फिर है, नहीं है, हम पता ही नहीं है. So you be nice, everyone around you will be nice.
So reinvention sounds glamorous.
Yes.
But it's actually very painful. What did you let go of?
I could never say no to people. That was a big problem with me.
Oh.
If you said something bad to me, like I told you,
So you let go of that.
I let go of that. I
Okay.
have started speaking now. अगर मुझे कुछ चीज़ सही नहीं लगती है, तो मैं ये नहीं कि किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोल दिया और मैं घर जाके उसने मुझे ऐसे क्यों बोला, मुझे ये बोलना चाहिए था, and thinking, not sleeping over it. I am blessed with some beautiful people who जिनसे मैंने अच्छी चीज़ें सीखी लाइफ में, and I realized you don't have to be rude to tell people कि listen, please don't talk to me like that, or I didn't like your, or that I have a different
Yes.
point of view. You may think different, maybe हम दोनों गलत नहीं है, हम दोनों अलग सोचते हैं, वो भी तो हो सकता है ना. So to respect somebody else's viewpoint and yet tell them कि listen, fine, that's a way of looking at it, but I think ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है, या this is what I think about it. And I think it's just communication. My father used to say, being in the army, कि बेटा जब world wars लड़ी गई थी ना, if people who really wanted to solve a thing, if they came together, sat on a table and peacefully spoke about it, wars have ended.
Yeah.
तो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें क्या है,
Yeah.
लोग आराम से बैठ के अगर रियली सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं तो चीज़ें सॉल्व हो
हो
जाती हैं.
सकती है. Yes. Interesting. अच्छा, reinvention is not about just heartbreak के बाद
Yes.
कोई reinvent करता है, but people have reinvention तब भी require होता है जब when you have a career setback and even when you have failures. So how can people reinvent when they have a career setback or failures?
See, career setbacks is really not in your hands, because आप एज एन एक्टर वो हमारे हाथ में होता ही नहीं है. मैं डायरेक्टर को ये नहीं बोल सकती, इफ़ माई डायरेक्टर सेज इस सीन में ओवर एक्टिंग करनी है, मैं नहीं बोल सकती कि नहीं सर मैं इसको सटल करना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट, आई एम जस्ट बीइंग पेड टू ब्रिंग माई डायरेक्टर्स विजन टू लाइफ.
Yes.
राइट, एज एन एक्टर मेरा उतना ही काम है. एंड आई फील मूवी मेकिंग इज़ अ डायरेक्टर्स मीडियम. उनकी कहानी है, उनका विजन है. अच्छी बनी तो उनको क्रेडिट मिलता है और सारे एक्टर्स को भी मिलता है. बुरी बनी तो डायरेक्टर को ज़्यादा, बिकॉज लोग समझते हैं आजकल कि यार हाँ अगर मैंने गंदी एक्टिंग की तो खैर मेरे ऊपर भी आएगा, बट व्हेन द फिल्म डज वेल, मुझसे अच्छी एक्टिंग कौन निकलवा रहा है.
But then
My
generally it
director.
also indirectly puts impact on.
It does.
Yeah.
It does,
yes.
but it's really not. जो some like
Yeah.
industry वाले हैं, they really do understand कि
Okay.
बहुत बार फिल्म का चलना ना चलना, इट्स अबाउट टाइमिंग, रिलीज का टाइमिंग,
इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स
lot of
अपॉन द
time.
रोल यू आर गेटिंग ना.
Yes.
कभी कभी रोल की वजह से भी नहीं चलती है
Yes.
ना.
जब मैंने स्त्री की थी,
स्त्री वन.
स्त्री वन, who, I mean,
I was coming on that. Like, what made you do that? Totally some different role you
very
played.
different role. And उसकी भी स्टोरी बहुत कमाल है. एंड अगेन मेक्स मी बिलीव इन डेस्टिनी की जो आपका है, इवन इफ वो मतलब पहाड़ी के नीचे दबा हुआ है ना, आपके डोर तक वो आएगा. सो व्हेन द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर फॉर स्त्री ही कॉल्ड मी एंड ही सेड कि एक मूवी बन रही है, राजकुमार राव है, श्रद्धा कपूर है, एंड इट्स अ वन डे पार्ट. दे वर कंसिडरिंग मी फॉर सम अदर रोल. सो आप ऑडिशन देंगे? आई सेड नहीं यार, मुझे वन डे पार्ट मतलब वो हो गया, मैं यहाँ से वन डे तो मिल ही रहा है, उसमें क्या है. आई वॉन्ट टू ग्रो फ्रॉम हियर. व्हेन द दिस वाज व्हेन वेब सीरीज हैड स्टार्टेड. सो आई सेड आई एम डूइंग वेल इन दैट एरिया एंड आई वॉन्ट अ बिगर पार्ट. तो ये मुझे नहीं सूट होता. तो ही सेड राजकुमार राव, श्रद्धा कपूर है. ऐसे कोई बात नहीं, मेरा रोल तो छोटा ही है. सो देन लकीली फॉर मी द सेम कास्टिंग गाय वाज कास्टिंग फॉर एन एड. सो नेक्स्ट डे ही कॉल्ड मी, ही सेड एड की कास्टिंग के लिए आप ऑडिशन देने आ जाओ. ओके फाइन. मैं गई एंड आई एम वेटिंग बिकॉज मुझसे पहले देयर वाज सम अदर ऑडिशन गोइंग ऑन. And I saw this two ladies audition for two different parts for the same film. One was the mother's role and one was for that one day part जो मुझे offer हुआ था. And I was like, ये क्या script है? ये कितना interesting. And without knowing the story, something about the script, the scene, the dialogues and the way these girls performed, I was like, यार मुझे ये ऑडिशन देना है. तो ही सेड ये वही वन डे वाला पार्ट है जिसके लिए आपने मना किया है. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, बट अब मुझे देना है. सो द नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट बैक टू ऑडिशन फॉर दैट वन डेज पार्ट. एंड देन कोई उनके यहाँ से कोई न्यूज़ नहीं आई. मैंने बोला यार ये तो मतलब नाक ही कट गई मेरी कि मैंने क्यों आई शुड हैव स्टक टू मुझे वन डे पार्ट नहीं करना. ये तो दे डिडंट कॉल मी बैक. After 20 days, I get a call saying that they saw the audition and they want to offer you another part. तो मैंने बोला ये और छोटा रोल देंगे मुझे. In my head that dialogue is going on because I had zero confidence in myself and इतनी बुरी चीज़ें हो चुकी थी कि आपको लगता है यार अच्छा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. And then when I met them they said it's the titular role स्त्री and but dialogues नहीं है. I said कितने दिन का काम है? 15 days. I said I'm on. And so they asked me कि have you done a horror film before and harness पे आपको चढ़ाएंगे. I said लोगों को पता नहीं है मैं साउथ में काम करके आई हूँ. And one of my only horror films that I did down south got me a Filmfare nomination. एंड तब तक मुझे लगता था हॉरर फिल्म्स तो मज़ा क्या वो वाइट मेकअप लगा के लेंस लगा के है
इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग.
हाँ, बट हॉरर फिल्म्स आर सोचो मैं मुझे दिखाना है कि मैं पोजेस्ड हूँ, मेरे अंदर कोई आत्मा है एंड इट्स सो स्ट्रॉन्ग कि आपको उठा के ऐसे फेंक सकती है. तो उसके लिए मुझे वैसा एक्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट. दैट मच एनर्जी हैव टू शो थ्रू माई बॉडी. It is a very taxing job to do a horror film than to do a normal film जहाँ पे आपको हंसना है रोना है, वो फिर भी ठीक है.
In an industry which is obsessed with youth,
yes,
how do you deal with pressure of aging?
See, we all going to age, right? And मुझे ये लगता है कि I would look lovely as a grandmother or a mother at that point. And I think वहाँ पे competition भी थोड़ा कम है आजकल. So मैं वैसे भी सोच के बैठी हूँ कि when that time comes, when I'd be playing a mother to grown-up kids or a especially the grandmother age is what I'm really waiting for, because I think I would really look. I mean, sometimes I look at myself and those filters on Snapchat and when you can see yourself as an old lady. I'm like shit यार मैं तो अच्छी लग रही हूँ. So ज़्यादा scope है because I don't see many ladies who would want to play grandmothers, and I have prepared myself ki yes, I would love to play that, and I would maybe look like a good looking grandmother, even though I'm not married, I don't have children of my own, but that would be fun.
So have you ever felt compared on the sets because of your age
No.
or judged
No.
because of the age?
No, people don't do that.
Because of the age you must have, ऐसा हुआ है कि कोई रोल्स आपको नहीं मिले हो?
Nahi, people approach me for the age bracket that I am in.
Okay.
And thanks to a lot of things opening up. पहले क्या था, अगर आप हीरोइन हैं तो आप इसी एज में आप काम कर सकते हैं, तभी आप हीरोइन है. अगर आपकी शादी हो गई तो आप नहीं कर सकते. Women have broken those stereotypes. Vidya Balan, Kareena Kapoor, Deepika Padukone. I mean, amazing women, right? And stories. Imagine Sushmita Sen coming back, Raveena Tandon, Kajol. They really heading stories written for them.
Yes.
Right? So things have changed. Mentalities have changed. And people love watching. Like Tumhari Sulu did so well. People went there to watch Vidya Balan. People's perspective has changed now, I think. So अब roles लिखे जा रहे हैं for all age groups.
Okay.
You never know what next.
Yeah. So what does beauty beyond age means to you?
I think it's the calmness that comes with calmness, the understanding of you don't always have to be right.
Yeah.
And sometimes and also you don't know everything. हमको लगता है ना कि हम जिस तरह से सोच रहे हैं वो ही सही है. Not always. Sometimes if you just listen to the other person and try something, because मैंने सब सारी चीज़ें अभी भी ट्राई नहीं की है लाइफ में, एंड यू जस्ट से कि यार शायद ये इंसान सामने वाले का व्यू पॉइंट सही हो सकता है, ट्राई करके देखते हैं ना, क्या बुरा क्या हो सकता है इससे ज़्यादा. जितना ज़्यादा बुरा लाइफ में होना चाहिए था वो तो हो ही चुका है, उससे बुरा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. एंड लाइफ सरप्राइजेस यू समटाइम्स. सो आई थिंक I totally enjoy the patience, the calmness and the faith that has come in me कि यार संभाल लेगा.
So do you think that with time confidence is more attractive than, like at point of time it doesn't matter कि how do you look, only confidence अगर आपका अच्छा है तो you feel attractive हूँ मैं, फिर मैं कैसी भी लग रही हूँ, it doesn't matter to me.
Confidence also, but confidence should not become a point of ego. That also it's likely, it's a thin line.
Even looking good can become a point of ego.
Yes. So मुझे लगता है it's grace. It's how gracefully you age, how calm you get. See, जब मुझे याद है कि जब मैं, like I told you, I was a silent kid. फिर मैं टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप से बाहर आई, मुझे में बहुत गुस्सा था. एंड आई थिंक जो टीनेजर्स का होता है गुस्से वाला फेज, मेरे को वो नहीं आया. आई वॉज अ वेरी काम टीनेजर, बट लेटर ऑन आई वेंट थ्रू दैट फेज जहाँ मेरे को बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, गुस्सा था अंदर, विच आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस. आजकल तो फिर भी पीपल हैव थेरेपिस्ट एंड पेरेंट्स है कि हाँ भाई गुस्से है, इसको थोड़े से थेरेपी दे देते हैं. हमारे टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ वो था ही नहीं, कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था. गुस्सा आ रहा है, चुप बैठो साइड में, डील विद इट. सो अब इफ यू आस्क,
पहले गुस्सा होता क्या था, वी नेवर न्यू दैट. नाउ किड्स नो
यस
कि दिस इज एंगर.
यस. सो नाउ अब मुझे गुस्सा बहुत कम आता है, या आता ही नहीं है. एंड इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ, अगर the success definitely, because I really, that was my point of frustration, right? कि काम होगा नहीं होगा, मैं क्या करूँगी. when things started happening, अंदर से you start changing, you become happier from inside. So yes, career success, then comes your personal life, that also me having evolved and being with a better partner, I think the best partner that I could have ever had in ages, that has also made me happier, calmer. It makes a difference. You know what they say, ki the company you keep affects
it matters
you.
a lot.
So when you have good people, good energies, कैसे आप sad रह ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं रह सकते, definitely. So what advice you would like to give to the women in their 20s and 30s for their skincare and lifestyle?
खुश रहो. That is, there is no आप कितना भी मसाज करा, facial, you go for massages, you go for lasers, if you're not happy inside and here, I wish I could give you some example, मेरे दिमाग में आ नहीं रहा, but then there are some people who've aged so gracefully. Lisa Ray, if I may say,
They have
after her cancer battle and everything, what grace,
fought,
right? Hollywood में कितने सारी actresses हैं who have just
aged gracefully.
Yes. And I think it's a mindset. Aging is a mindset. My mother, she's like, she's in her 70s, and she says, but I don't feel it. I feel I'm 18. It is a mindset. So how you feel is how you behave, is how you look.
So have you tried any clinical treatments like Botox?
Yes, absolutely.
Lip fillers, lasers?
Lip fillers, no. Botox, definitely.
Okay.
Lasers, definitely. Because जब हम foreign जाते हैं, and I'm sure you've traveled, even the housewives, they take care of themselves, and it's not a thing कि मैं actor हूँ तो मैं Botox करा रही हूँ. It is a lifestyle. Looking good is a woman's right.
Okay.
You have to look attractive at, कुछ गलत नहीं है. If I want to feel attractive about myself, सुबह उठ के आईने में तो मैं खुद को ही देख रही हूँ ना. So if I feel कि doing Botox is going to make me feel pretty, and I will feel good looking at myself, by all means do it.
So these treatments definitely they enhance your beauty.
Yes.
But are they empowering?
So that's an individual call. बहुत सारे लोग हैं who feel, oh, we don't want to do it. That's your choice. Some people feel, no, I want to look pretty for myself. Right?
But I think it creates pressure also.
Not if you, like I said, there was this one time I was shooting in London and I saw this lady जो अपने बच्चे को प्रैम पे घुमाने लेके आई है. It's not about Botox and anything. Her makeup was on point. She had her eyeliner, she had her lipstick, she had her eyebrows done, hair done. And I'm like, हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. मतलब, we are in our 90s when the baby is so small. But it's a cultural thing. There, women love
to dress up, love to
for their
take
men,
care of themselves. Yes.
And यहाँ पे I feel there's taboo, Botox is, let's not talk about Botox. No, why not?
But now everyone is talking about Botox and even lip fillers.
And younger girls are getting it done.
Yeah. So do you think that is it safe? Because a lot of young generation, they are doing lip fillers, they are doing eyebrow fillers, they are even doing Botox.
Yes.
So how safe these treatments are for them?
It's very necessary to have a good doctor. And the good doctor is the one who will tell you, I don't think you need this, go home. Nahi to there are a lot of doctors who say, oh, this person has come to me and I can make money over here. So, अच्छा आपको क्या कराना? अच्छा हम ये भी कर देंगे, हम वो भी कर देंगे. A good doctor is somebody who will say कि no, I think this feature of yours is beautiful. Don't touch it. Let's not do your Botox right now. आपने 1 महीने पहले कराया तो अभी time नहीं हुआ है. You come back to me after 4 months. It's important to have a good doctor.
Yeah.
That's the
Botox requires you have to keep getting it done on a regular basis once you have started it, because then you have a habit of seeing yourself like that. And that's why my question is, when a person starts it at a very young age, so how does it, because now they are habitual of seeing themselves like that.
Yes.
So won't it affect their health longer run में?
Not really, because I think Botox के और भी बहुत सारे फायदे हैं. We are just talking about face. It's also your excessive sweating. It takes care of. So you have to know how to use it. And like I'm saying कि एक face का हो गया. A lot of people deal with body odor, right? Which is like nobody would want to stand next to you. You will have, आपका क्या बोलते हैं, you'll be made fun of, you'll be bullied, all of that you'll face
Yeah.
in college if you smell bad. And Botox helps you with that as well. So you have to know when to use and how much is too much. There are women who have done lip fillers, and you know, we've seen pictures on the
Yeah,
internet.
ducky
who-
lips, but now that's not their fault. I think there's a dermatologist role which comes into the
Correct.
picture, because they know that what is right for a person.
Correct.
How can I know that मुझे इतना ml ही require है?
Also,
So sometimes they give 1 ml or 2 ml, which is
Yes.
not for you.
correct.
So ideal is 0.5 to, you should start with 0.5 ml for lip
Correct. But
fillers and all.
if I go as a customer and I say, ki, no, this is my standard of beauty,
Yeah.
I feel ki this would look good on me. So that's why I said a good doctor who says ki no. But again, there are doctors जो कर भी देंगे, क्योंकि मैं मांग रही हूँ तो वो कर भी देंगे, because that's their job.
But nowadays there's antidote also of that.
Yes.
Ki if you had got the lip job done, like lip fillers, and then if you didn't like it,
You can get it.
you can the doctor will
Correct.
immediately put antidote, and now it's gone.
Remove it, yes.
Yeah, removed.
Yeah.
As I mentioned, that lip fillers and all,
Yes.
is it become a trend, or no? Like youth may, like, because every single person is now going towards this trend.
It has become a trend, and there's nothing wrong with it, because मुझे लगता है कि the standards of beauty, these beauty magazines, you know, your Instagram is full of influencers who are
Yeah.
pushing beauty products or beauty.
Yes.
And yes, everybody wants to look at a beautiful face, right? And social media pressure comes from you putting your pictures out and people commenting on it. So you want to look pretty, not just for yourself, but also for your, you know, a social thing also it has become. So yes, there is a lot of peer pressure, social pressure on these young kids, and they don't know what to do. So if they're restoring to it, and if they feel good about it, अगर मुझे कुछ करा के ऐसा लगता है कि yes, this makes me look pretty. Kylie Jenner, she had no lips, and now she's the
Yeah,
prettiest. I mean,
prettiest.
what a good-looking girl.
Yeah.
So if that has helped you gain confidence in the
So
way
you can get it done.
yeah, why not?
Yeah. Even glutathione IV drips are trending a lot for
Yes.
skin brightening.
Yes.
So what is your take on that?
Bullshit. So, glutathione is not a whitening dip, right? It is an
A
antioxidant.
lot of actors,
Yes,
actors
so-
and actors, they have got it done. And
Correct.
yeah.
So it's an antioxidant जिसका एक बोलते हैं ना, आप कोई मेडिसिन खाते हो जिसका एक इफ़ेक्ट है. सो इट्स एन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट जिसका साइड इफ़ेक्ट नहीं बोलूँगी मैं, बट उसका एक इफ़ेक्ट है कि बिकॉज एज एन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट व्हेन इट वर्क्स इन योर बॉडी, इट काइंड ऑफ helps you get rid of not tanning, but it kind of
It
brings
brightens
it up.
your face.
Correct.
Yeah.
So instead of selling it the way it's
Yeah.
being sold as a
But
whitening,
if you even stop it,
Hmm?
then again you will come on your same tone. So, yeah.
yes, because the antioxidants वो
Yes.
बॉडी में कंज्यूम हो जाएंगे, so
Yes.
you have to refill. जैसे
Yeah.
विटामिन डी है, सेम थिंग, बॉडी में खत्म हो जाएंगे तो
Yeah.
आप इंजेक्शन
You
लेते ही
have
हो
to
ना.
do So even glutathione and all these are
Yes.
also trending a lot. So have you taken any IV drip like collagen
Yes.
and all?
Not collagen, but I take multivitamin IVs.
Okay.
बीच में मेरा hemoglobin had gone down, so ferritin is something, ferritin IV, because मैं गोलियाँ कब तक खाऊंगी
Yes.
to reach to bring my level up, तब तक I'm suffering. So IV is a better, faster way of taking an IV, giving your body a good amount of ferritin, iron, B12, zinc.
2B12. It's
you know,
very good for your hair.
correct. So all these vitamins taken in an IV.
So these IV drips which
Yes.
we are talking right now, do they have any risk on your internal health?
No, it's like
Okay.
अगर हम विटामिन सी टैबलेट में खाते हैं, अगर
Yeah.
उसका कोई आपकी बॉडी लाइक समटाइम्स समथिंग डजंट सूट यू
Yeah.
हो सकता है ना, तो उतना ही रिस्क है कि अगर
Okay.
आपको and the doctors don't give you IV just like that. They ask you for your blood test. At least my
But
doctors.
few dermats, because the trend is going on, and nowadays dermats are not giving you IV drips. You know, even cosmetologists are giving you IV drips without having a science background.
Which is
So
wrong.
yeah, so they are doing it without any test reports and all.
Mm.
I heard one incident when one of my friends, she took IV drip glutathione, and her BP shoot up.
Really?
Yeah, and she had a bad health after that. And she was like, I asked her like, from where you got it done. She was like, from a cosmetologist.
Mm.
So I think you need to make sure that आप कोई ऐसा, if you are taking a needle shot or something like that, drips and all, you should better go to the dermat rather than cosmetologist is all about your laser and all,
Correct.
where you feel that आपको internally कुछ harm नहीं होने
हाँ.
वाला है.
Also, it's very important to eat empty stomach pe. If you take a NAD is also trending nowadays. If you
Okay.
take NAD or gluta, empty stomach, it makes no sense. Because
Okay.
tablet खाते हैं तब भी they say eat after meal.
Meal.
So the same thing. तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो people overlook. सब कुछ फास्ट चाहिए.
Yeah.
बट कुछ सिस्टम बना है बॉडी का भी. इफ़ यू फॉलो दैट एवरीथिंग इज गुड.
Okay. So one last question, Flora. So when you wake up in the morning and you find that you have a dull skin
Yes.
just before your shoot day,
Mm.
how do you cope up with that?
I listen to music, good music. That is first thing because my mind needs to be happy. Iced water,
Yeah.
ठंडा पानी या सिर्फ आइस क्यूब फेस पे लगा के just to
Okay.
wake up your senses, your face feels fresh. These two work a lot for me. So yeah.
Thank you, Flora, for such a deep conversation. And I think a lot of listeners will definitely get a deeper insight about what we had today. And it was really so, good of you that you were so open today. And before we end, we would be playing a game now.
Oh, lovely.
It's a skincare Jenga game.
Done.
Flora, you have to pick each color one block.
Okay.
And there's something, maybe you will find myth, truth, dare, or
Okay.
maybe a question. So you have
Alright.
to pick an answer honestly.
ठीक है. कहीं से भी ना?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this says
Expensive skincare works better.
no, absolutely not. What works best is घर के नुस्खे, which is easy to make. You have everything at home, which has zero preservatives, chemicals, no nothing, and trust me, it works better than anything. Okay, so this is done. Yellow, I'll take from here. गिरा दूँ?
One must have product.
Sunscreen, of course, sunscreen. And I learned this very late because school में कोई मतलब really we had no skincare knowledge way back then. But sunscreen, my God. Okay, this one. There you go.
Compliment you love hearing about your skin.
You're glowing. Is it love? Oh God.
Worst skincare advice you heard.
I think peels,
Chemical peels.
chemical peels.
It can be glycolic, it can be
Correct,
AHA.
because I've seen people जो कई बार it can go horribly wrong, but then you have lasers also to kind of help you with that.
हाँ, but the combination of both chemical peels plus laser
Works
that
best.
works best for a person who is having insulin spike. तो वहाँ पे जब
Oh.
dark spots हो जाते हैं
Got
your
it.
your bikini area, your underarms, तो it works wonders.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm going to try that.
No problem. No problem. You can take.
Both of these. So we'll go with dark blue.
So one product you pretend to like but don't.
Oof. Mm. I think the under eye cream whatever that thing. I don't know if it works. I think moisturizer also works just as well.
Almond oil like is the best for
Is the
under
best,
eye.
yes.
अंडर आई के लिए आई तो प्रेफर आमंड ऑयल.
वो आई रिमेम्बर जब हम छोटे होते थे, यू नो फॉर ड्राई लिप्स मलाई लगाते थे.
या मलाई या
Yeah.
घी. Yes.
Okay, this.
Something you hide about your skin.
I have sunspots, melasma. I hide it with makeup, and I've been trying very hard to get rid of them. And I'm going to try what you just told, the peel with
The chemical peel with the laser.
the laser. I'm going to try that because वो जाता ही नहीं है. There's this one little कम हो जाता है, but जाता ही नहीं. It loves me too much. So I need to break up with that.
Flora, you're really amazing. You answered so honestly, and in our every conversation, which was deeply, you had given insights about that. And I think a lot of people who are watching today, they would be getting a lot of strength
I
from
hope
this
so.
episode. Thank you so much. But before we end, we have a small token of love for you.
Thank you, and it was lovely being here, Ghazal. Thank you.
Same
You've been
here.
amazing.
You
Thank
also
you.
been amazing. Flora, this is a small token of love for you.
Thank you so
This
much.
is Sleepo Berry formulations which I have created.
Oh,
I'm a
amazing.
certified formulator.
Wow.
So this is my baby brand.
Thank
so
you
please
so
try it
much.
and let us know.
Thank you so much, Ghazal. I wish to have a glowing skin like you, and I
already
will
have.
definitely try. Oh my God, this one also says floral fusion. See? Thank you.
I
And
have also curated a book. for
oh
you.
wow.
You'll love
Thank
reading.
you, and thank you for this. Really means a
We
lot.
have one more for you. That is a Yog Mudra.
Thank you. Thank you. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Ghazal.
Thank you, Flora.
Thank you for having me.
So Glow Fam, today's conversation really shows beauty is not just about how you look. It's about how you rise after everything life puts you through. Your strength, your mindset, your ability to rebuild. That's your real glow. And to everyone watching, stop chasing perfection and start focusing on becoming stronger, healthier and more aligned. Because beauty beyond age is really about how you live your life. If this conversation resonated with you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Glow with Ghazal. Until next, stay real, stay aware and keep glowing.